Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, we'll be showing you how to add expense in Spendee. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up the app. And once you're in here, by the way, you can go ahead over to more section right here. And go ahead and add in your manual wallets, bank accounts, and e-wallets as well. And also crypto wallets, okay? Now, once that's added, go ahead over to your timeline. And in here, you have this big green button that says add an expense manually. So just go ahead and tap on it. Wait for it to load. Now go ahead and select the category of the expense. For example, we have here shopping. All right, just tap on it. Enter the amount. For example, you have spent $100 for shopping. Now it will say here negative 100 or minus 100. Okay, so what you do next is just go ahead and select the wallet right here. Okay, just tap on it. Now if you have a ton of wallets created, again, as I've said earlier, you can go ahead and select that in here. Also your banks as well, credit or debit card. Okay, so just select one and then select the date. Was it yesterday, today, or select manually? Okay, just tap from anywhere in this field or section. Let's say Saturday. Write down a note if you want to. Enter the label, for example, once, like so. Now go back or hit on done. Go back. Enter a photo if you want to as well. Okay, just choose from your gallery, and once done, the recurrence is it never or every day, every 2 weeks, you name it. Okay, once that's done, just tap on add transaction, and there you have it. Okay, as you can see here, it now says negative $100. You can tap on spending overview, and here you have the graph. All right. Here's the total wealth. Before it was $1,000. Okay, now it says 900 because of the expense that we made. Now, the second time you wanted to add in an expense, okay, you can go ahead over to timeline, and instead of tapping on the add expense manually, you will now have the option to just tap on the plus sign. Okay, there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.